Hi, my name is Jeff Tabor, lawyer partner here at Tabor Law Firm. Some of the many cases that we handle here at Tabor Law Firm involve construction site injuries. And there's always a question that comes, and it's the obvious question, who is liable for construction site injuries? Well, that's a big question that requires a lot more time than what we've allotted here today for this video. I can tell you a couple things though to whet your appetite, and that is number one, you have the right to a reasonably safe workplace. OSHA requires that. If you believe you are working at an unsafe job site, you should call OSHA right away. Most importantly, you should know that your employer cannot retaliate against you for contacting OSHA and reporting a potentially unsafe workplace. If it's too late, if you've already been injured at a work site, or if a loved one has lost their life on a job site, the question becomes, who is liable? Again, a very loaded question and a good question. Generally speaking, in Indiana, you cannot sue your employer, nor can you sue a co-employee if you're in the course and scope of your employment. The Indiana Workers' Compensation Act covers that. That's often referred to as your exclusive remedy in Indiana. But oftentimes there are subcontractors, or even the general contractor on a work site may have someone there monitoring for safety, and they may be responsible for failing to safeguard for you and your health and your care. This all requires a thorough investigation, and a lot of these details, who's responsible for what on a work site, are contained within contract language between an owner, a general contractor, and a subcontractor. You need an experienced lawyer to get the contracts, to know that they exist, to review them, and make a determination who's responsible for what happened so it doesn't happen to the next person on the job site. Call me. Well, I'm happy to talk to you about this in more detail. We can work together and hopefully find a way to recover for your harm or for your loss. Thank you.